On the road
On the road again. It's been a long time since we started
I was
off
just
like that,
going to
isn't it?
say that. It's been a long time since we started off like that.
Months.
Yeah.
But we are actually on the road again.
We are. We're going on an adventure, as
Yes.
the kids say.
Yeah.
The main goal is Öland this time.
Yeah.
The plan was to start with to go like next week.
Yes.
But then you are flying to England and leaving the rest of us here.
Yeah, I'm going to go to England on my own for a few days.
Yeah. So we decided to have a bit of holiday and go down to Ireland this week instead.
Yeah.
And the fact that it's, as we got yelled at for saying, the weather has been like it is in England. That was not a popular thing amongst you guys in the comments.
No, just one. I think it was just one. We got shouted at for bashing the UK.
Yeah.
Tell you what, it's raining all the time. Right?
Yeah.
Feels like we're in the UK.
Yeah.
Feels like we're in England.
Yeah.
It's like this is the English summer. It's like not super cold, but it's just raining all the time. I mean, I am from the UK. I feel like I have some right to bash it, especially about the weather.
No, because they said because you left, you're not allowed to anymore. That was the thing. You're not there anymore.
I feel like it's pretty common knowledge that the UK, it rains a lot in the UK.
Yeah, but anyway.
The weather looks like it's better down at Öland, doesn't it?
It looks like it's not UK weather down in Öland.
It looks like it's Swedish summer weather instead, yeah. Öland, we do Öland like every year. We've been down pretty much every year, haven't we?
Every single year.
We did.
Since Charlie was born, we've been every single year. Before that, it was not every year.
Yeah.
Let's
see how far we get.
Yeah, I was just going to say that. Let's see where we get today.
Is it a quick biscuit stop? Nice.
Yeah.
What have you got? Gold chocolate biscuits.
Yeah.
All the way from England.
I don't eat them.
You're not eating it.
No, I licking it.
You're just licking it. Eat it like an ice cream. Okay. What about you? You're eating yours like a normal person. Yeah. And then we've got half an hour to drive onto the place where we're staying tonight. So that's good, isn't it? This'll do for tonight. Mostly because we can't be bothered to drive anymore.
Yeah, it's not the best. It's not at all what it looked like on pictures.
No, I think the pictures showed what it looks like down there. Down there, apparently, it's a lake.
Yeah, up here it's not much.
It's just a weird parking, but it looks really nice. But hey, we'll go and explore a little bit down there and see if it's any better.
But you're getting super much yes way.
Think?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're the campervan manager, aren't you?
Bought new wellies the other day. Oh, we said it in the last video.
Yeah.
Don't take them off.
No.
It's like 20 degrees and sun out. Still wearing wellies.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Papa,
Yeah? What is it? What have you found?
Hiya.
Whoa!
Hiya.
Raspberries. Oh.
Do you know what I'm gonna do?
Yeah.
It's super cold.
But do you know what?
What?
Who that one is gonna be?
Who is it going to be?
Super Mario.
Super Mario. Mama's doing a Super Mario, isn't she?
Just for me.
That one, look. There.
Just for me.
Just for you, yeah. Yeah, it's looking good.
That is gonna be so excited.
Leaving just in time when the rain comes.
Yeah. Every single day it's raining
Yeah.
at the moment. It's insane. But hey ho, you've got to make the most of it, haven't you?
You do. Let's drive to the sun.
Yeah, we'll have to go somewhere like Portugal or somewhere at the end of the summer to make up for it.
Oh, Spain.
Or Spain. Let's go to the Sun and the Winds Island.
The island of wind and sun, isn't it?
Yeah.
And yeah, hopefully we get a bit of sun down there.
Fingers crossed.
No way.
And it's starting to look a little bit like it's meant to, at least. You can sort of half tell what it's going to be now, can't you?
Yeah, I don't know.
Mayo.
You're not confident in it, are you?
No.
I think it's going to look great. Oh, all right, quick little coffee break. Nice to stretch your legs after driving for an hour or so. So we should just say a quick little thank you to the guys over at Ultrahuman. You might remember a couple of weeks ago we spoke about these really awesome rings that they sent to us. Well, they also sent us a couple of these really nice hoodies. Super nice quality. As a little care package when Malin was in the hospital, bless them. So yeah, massive thanks to Ultrahuman for that. So we've been using the rings, obviously, well, every day since we got them. Well, it's been like a couple of months now, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And we continue to be impressed with them, or I do at least. You're the same, aren't you?
Yeah, a little bit.
They're absolutely wicked. So if you're not familiar with what they do, they basically track your fitness, your sleep. It's got a super long battery life that'll last for sort of 6 days, and a really nice app that you can keep sort of up to date with, yeah, your sleep cycles, your wellness tracking, all sorts of stuff like that. Really good sort of metrics, and yeah, aimed at being so that sort of everybody can use them. They're not just aimed at athletes or whatever. So yeah, really impressed, and I'd definitely recommend going and checking them out. And it's just started raining, so a really good thing about these is they're 100% waterproof. So you can use them while you're swimming. There's all sorts of activity tracking and things like that on them as well. So you can track your runs and your swims and your workouts and everything. So if you want to check out Ultrahuman and grab one of these Ultrahuman Ring Airs for yourself, head on over to ultrahuman.com/Malin and Tom and use the code word MAT10 for 10% off. So yeah, definitely go and check them out. Well worth looking at. Massive thanks again to Ultrahuman. What's going on?
Hailstones!
Bloody crazy!
It's like it's such a line, isn't it?
Yeah. Blue sky now.
Yeah.
Nice to stretch legs, yeah? This is where we were. We were here 2 years ago.
30 weeks.
By the sea. And if I remember right, just over there is something really fun for you guys.
Finally, sunshine.
Let's go and see what we can find.
Yeah, hope it's as good as it was a couple of years ago.
Yeah, it was really good a couple of years ago.
It feels a bit strange to be here because we had the best time here a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
But it was also here I think I realised how poorly I was.
Yeah.
Like we were here for almost a full week on this spot.
Yeah.
Because our tyre broke and we couldn't leave. But we were here for a full week. And I was so poorly.
You were, yeah.
And it's strange to look back at that, I think.
It feels like a different chapter, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Do you
it
know what I
does.
mean?
Yeah, it feels strange. And especially because I was so poorly, not just like that we didn't know. Like it was almost here where we realised how poorly I was.
Yeah.
It feels strange, but it's also nice to be back and on the other side of it.
Yeah, exactly. What do you think? Is Charlie going to get PTSD when he goes on that? Can you remember?
Yeah, I almost jumped him off the cushion.
And jump on your bum. Yay! Ah!
Crush his head then. Great parenting.
World's best mama. That's funny.
That's good parenting.
Top class parenting, that was.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
He enjoyed it.
He did. He thought it was funny.
He didn't fall off.
No. Could have gone badly, but it didn't. Sun's out.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah. When was the
Finally.
last time we woke up to some proper sun?
Very, very long time
It was a
ago.
while ago, wasn't it? Yeah.
Oh, land for you, that is.
Yeah, exactly. We have escaped the bad weather. Feels nice to be back in Ireland, doesn't it?
Oh, it feels lovely. Since we had Charlie, we've been every single year.
Yeah.
At least once.
Yeah.
So it feels lovely. But it feels a bit odd to be back where we were yesterday because that really hit me with how poorly I was last time we were here.
Yeah.
I didn't think that that place would be that connected with how bad I felt, but it really was. As soon as we stepped in there, it just felt strange and like that. Oh, the anxiety feeling came back like into my gut straight away.
Yeah. I didn't think about it when we were on our way there, but as soon as we pulled up, it was like, oh yeah, actually.
Yeah, so we stayed there for 5 days, like I said yesterday,
Yeah.
because we had a flat tire
Yeah.
and we struggled to get that fixed. As always, you see, we seem to have problems with tires.
Yeah.
But it was also because we couldn't really leave, because I couldn't leave to be without toilet.
Yeah.
So we like had to stick around for that long.
And we had no toilet in the van.
No, we just had the little black van then. So we had to stick around for ages because I couldn't leave.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it feels really strange to be back in a place like that.
Yeah.
And it gives you like bad gut feeling, bad like PTSD.
Yeah. Yeah, really. Really does.
But now we're here to create new good memories. I guess.
Definitely.
Before we went, I only thought about how fun the kids had it there. I didn't think about how bad I felt. But when we walked in, like I said, when we walked in there, I just felt, oh shit.
Yeah. Yeah. It's weird.
Yeah.
But like you said, it's we're here to make some new good memories now
Yeah,
and
exactly.
leave that bit behind.
Yeah, now we're here to enjoy the sunshine
Yes.
and focus on the good bits.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, so at the time of watching this, the podcast's been out for a few days. So if you're one of the people that's gone on and had a little listen, then massively appreciated. We appreciate all the support. It's dead exciting. So there's links in the description to Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube for the podcast if you want to go and have a little listen.
Yeah.
Exciting, innit?
I feel a bit nervous.
Yeah, you talk in a different way,
You're
don't
going to
you?
listen to us rumble for so long and not just 8 minutes on YouTube.
Yeah, it's a lot less edited,
Yeah.
innit? Like it's like actual conversation.
Yeah,
Yeah, it does
exactly.
feel a bit weird, but yeah, we appreciate all the support anyway that we've had
do.
so far. So
Yeah, we do.
dead exciting.
Yeah. I also just wanted to mention, because we've had a lot of messages where people ask where you can buy the bunnies from, and that we've been like saying, oh, just send us a message and we'll try to fix it kind of thing.
Yeah.
But now they're finally on the shop, so you can go on to malinandtom.com. You'll find the shop there and you can start ordering the bunnies properly now. And not just on a message through Facebook or Instagram.
Yeah, yeah.
So that feels really fun.
They're actually available as products now.
Yeah, exactly. There's a few different colours out, but also if you want different colours, just send us a message and we'll see if we can do it.
Yeah. Exciting.
Excited.
Yeah.
I've sold so many and it feels so fun. But I hope that it makes it a bit easier for you guys who's asked but not managed to order anything yet.
Yeah. There's also a link for that in the description as well. So if you want to go and have a look,
Yeah.
feel free.
Feel free to do that.
But otherwise, I think that's about it for this week, isn't it?
Yes, thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already.
And we'll see you next Friday.
Yeah, see you next week. Bye.
Bye.